What's up, everybody? Ray here. This is my first ever purchase of a box of 2011 certified football cards. There you go. I got pretty lucky. Got some pretty good hits. Let's start with some hits I got. Greg Jones, New Generation, linebacker from the Giants. Aldrick Robinson, New Generation. Cod Heat Blue. Vincent Brown, wide receiver from the Chargers, had pretty good games when Floyd was injured. Pretty good defensive ends here. Taquan Bowers from the Bucks. We got Muhammad Wilkerson from the Jets. Up and coming QB. Certified Potential Christian Ponder card. We got an auto with Dwayne Harris, New Generation. Even though he was a bust in fantasy football. Payne Hillis, red. And the best two I got was Jake Locker, freshman fabric. And then I pulled this in second to last pack of the box. Cam Newton, auto, jersey, freshman fabric. Definitely the rookie of the year in my book. And those are all the bases. And that's it. Love this card. Rookie of the year. Peace.